Hello everyone, this is ML Naruto. Welcome to my channel. So today I'll be explaining the topic that is one of the most important one in the averages topic. So in the averages, now I'm going to explain about the median here. So what is a median? So median is nothing. So if you want to understand the median, so basically you need to, first of all you need to understand the mathematical formula for the median. So what is the median here? So in order to find a median, you need to follow some kind of steps. The first step is you need to sort out the data. Sort the data either in ascending or in the descending order, right? And after sorting the data either in ascending or in descending order, you need to follow again a kind of step. So it is basically divided into two kind of things. The first one is we will calculate the median for the odd numbered data. Okay, and we will also calculate the median for the even numbered data. So how do we calculate that? For example, if we want to calculate the median for odd numbered data, the first step you need to do is, this is the common step for both the odd and the even number data, right? So the first step is you need to sort the data, and then if it is odd number data, you need to follow this kind of a formula, that is n plus 1 divided by 2. So let's imagine if we have these numbers, for example, 2, 9, sorry, 2, 8, 9, 6. Okay, you have this. So, and 7, you have this. So how do you find a median for this? So first of all, you need to arrange this in a either in a ascending or in a descending order. So first of all, I choose to arrange this in a ascending order. So how to do that? 2, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this is in the ascending order, right? So smallest to the greatest. So now I need to apply this formula n plus 1 by 2. What is the n here? The number of data points, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 6 by 2, nothing but 3. So you need to spot on the third position. So this is the third position here. So our median would be this is our median, that is the 7, right? So this procedure is only applicable for the odd number data. Why? Because see here, 2, 8, 9, 6, 7. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is nothing but an odd number, right? So for that odd number we usually follow this kind of a procedure. And now what if we want to follow for a even number data? For example, I have the same kind of data set like 2, 7, 9, 6, maybe 8, and then 10 here. So I have this kind of a data. So if you want to find the median for this kind of a data, so how to do that? First of all, you need to sort the data. See, I'm sorting here. So 2, and then 6, and then 7, and then 8, and then 9, and then 10. So I have already sorted in ascending order, that is smallest to the greatest, right? So now, what I can do is, uh, I need to apply some kind of formula. Why? Because this is an even number data. How do I know whether this is an even number or an odd number? So see here, just count the values: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in total, there is a 6 data points. So 6 is nothing but an even number, right? So for even number kind of data, we need to apply a certain formula, that is n by 2 plus 1, right? So if my n is equal to 6, then how to do the just substitute this value: 6 divided by 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 6 by 2 is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So you need to spot on the fourth position. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So see here, this is the fourth position, right? uh sorry you need to find the sorry, this is the even number data. So you need to uh, you need to find out the basically the middle between two positions. For example, you need to look at this particular thing here, right? And then you need to apply 7 plus 8 divided by 2 here, 15 by 2, then 7.5. So your median will lies here in between 7 and 8. See here, I'll explain you. See, you have these data point 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So you have 3 in the left and 3 data points in the right. You need to find the median, right? Obviously, anybody can easily tell that our median is usually lying in this particular position. Why? Because median is nothing but the 50. It's the middlemost value, where our 50% of the data will usually lies in the top position, and the remaining 50% of the data will usually lies in the bottom position. In between these two 50%, there lies our median, right? So if you want to find this using a mathematical formula, you need to apply this kind of a formula, that is n by 2 plus 1. If you apply this thing, you will get the value, and then you need to look at this median, middle between values, and then you need to uh, sum it up, that is 7 plus 8 divided by 2. Then you will automatically get this 7.5 as your median, right? So this is all about the median, right? Okay. Uh, See here you have, when you solve here, what did you get here? 6 by 2 plus 1, that is equal to 6 by 2 is nothing but 3 plus 1 is nothing but the 4. So you need to look at the fourth position. Just go here. 1, 2, 3. Up till here, we have already reached the third position, right? And if you want to look at the fourth position, what is the fourth position here? The fourth position lies in between these two, right? I mean, uh, this is an even number digit. So the fourth position lies somewhere between these two. So what you can do is, you just need to sum it up. 7 plus 8, and then you need to divide them by the total number of digits, that is divided by 2, right? And then you will get the 7.5 as your median. The here lies your median, that is 7.5. So this is the in this way you can easily find out the median. And now we need to understand whether do we have any effect for outliers or not. We need to understand that. So see here, whenever we sort the data, see, for example, this is our data, like 2, 1, 8, 7, see, right? And suddenly a huge outlier has entered, maybe some 10,000, okay, has entered. And now you need to find out the median of the data, right? So how to do that? Actually, whenever you sort this data, that is 1, 2, 7, 8 and 10,000, no matter how big is the number, we don't really care about that. Why? Because we are actually sorting it, and we know that the middlemost value is nothing but the 7. Why? Because these are the two values lying in the left side, and these are the two values lying in the right side, and in between there lies our median, that is the 7. So no matter, for example, if in the place of this 10,000, no matter if it is actually 90,000 or actually 1 lakh or 2 crores, 5 crores, no matter. Why? Because when you sort this data, you don't even care about how big a value is. You just need to find out the right position, that is the middlemost position. So in shortly, you can easily say that the outlier effect on the median is 0. There is no outlier effect on the median, right? Why? Because since it is sorted every time. So that's it. And now when to use this particular median? Median can be used on ordinal kind of data. Median can be used on ordinal and then interval and then ratio types of data, right? So median can be applied on these three kinds of data. So this is the application. That's all for this video. Thank you. Take care.